Lord, I may be permitted to file objections, my lord.
Entry order ilva?
Entry matter ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ they have not complied the entry matter my lord.
ಯಾರು ಕಂಪ್ಲೈ
Lord, I'm
ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು?
filing
ಅವ್ರು
my objections.
ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು.
ಏನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೈ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು ಪೊಸಿಷನ್?
Position ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
ಎಷ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ?
My lord, this honorable court has kindly perused the order
But I
order
did-
dated 9/4 my lord.
ಓ ಇದು ಫೋರ್ಸಿಬಲಿ evicted.
Forcibly evicted.
I'm filing my objections.
And
Put on record.
yesterday your lordship has asked whether the petitioner has paid the amount or not to verify it. Kindly peruse the document my lord. The
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಮೇಡಮ್?
My lord, my lord.
ಕೊಡಿ.
kindly.
ಅದೇನ್ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ವಾ? ನೋಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕಾ?
No, my lord, page 46, my lord. Lord, they have paid 21 lakhs. My lord, 11 lakh they have paid in January, and that is during the sale, my lord. There was supposed to be a sale. Sale did not take place. Thereafter, on 11th, when we took possession, they have paid 11 lakhs, my lord.
13 lakhs.
13 lakhs, my lord. Yes, my lord. That they have paid.
13 lakhs.
And my lord,
ಟೋಟಲ್
my
ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್?
total 21 lakhs they have paid, my lord.
No.
Alright. ಎಷ್ಟು
Total dues are 1 crore 19 lakhs, my lord.
My lord,
And thereafter, at page 46, my lord, we've informed them that they require 48 lakhs for regularization.
ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು
my lord,
ಕಟ್ತೀರಾ?
my lord, one
Yes, my lord,
submission.
one more submission, my lord. This is a case where they have actually availed business loans, term loans, and they have not utilized. They have not even started the business. That
Because-
is what we discovered when we went.
One moment.
Because one
When
submission.
did you take the loan, sir?
My lord, in the year of
22, my lord.
22 my lord.
Ah.
22.
For what
and
purpose?
so for the business purpose. my lord.
Which business?
To
Era?
No, my lord, processing.
Air business.
spices and
Spices? What spices did you business?
honey bee honey ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು spices.
Honey spice?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಪೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಹನಿ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾಚ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ
Honey sachet?
ಹನಿದು ಹನಿ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಸ್ಟಾಚ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಪೈಸಸ್ ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಪೆಪ್ಪರ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೆಸರೇನು? ಯಾವತ್ತು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? Where is the registration?
ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ
Where is the registration? Business? ಏನ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಾ? ಏನೋ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಚೇರ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗೆದು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ?
No, my lord, there is no business at all. There is no processing. In fact, the machines are, the seal is intact. That's what we discovered, my lord. 2 years they have not utilized. In fact, CC is given for a running business. They have not even started the business. my lord.
ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್?
one submission. The business was not started because his father is bedridden and he was hospitalized for about 9 months, my lord. That is why he has spent more than 19 lakhs for his treatment. And also he is under the treatment as on today also, my lord.
Bank is not bothered about all that. They will act under surface.
It is true, my lord.
ಈಗ
And,
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕಟ್ತೀರಾ ಹೇಳಿ?
according to them, only 21 lakhs paid. But according
First
to,
of all,
according to
that's
law,
all right. Business ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ
ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೋನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ ಮೇಡಮ್?
My lord, totally they did
1 crore 40 lakhs, my lord.
1 crore 40 lakhs.
We have paid 49 lakhs.
ನಿಮಿಷ ಸರ್. 1 crore 40
Yes,
lakhs.
my lord.
What did you do with the 1 crore 40 lakhs?
One submission.
Public money sir.
We have paid.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? 1 ಕೋಟಿ
50
ಇದೆಯಾ
lakhs.
ನಿಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? ಖಾಲಿ
50 lakhs.
ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ 50 lakhs ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ
ಅಕೌಂಟ್
ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿಲ್ವಾ?
50 lakhs ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ.
ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಖಾಲಿನಾ?
Yes, my lord,
Am-
there's nothing because it's
amount-
term loan. Entire term loan is disbursed.
Ma-
CC entire exposure is 40
My-
lakhs, my lord, more than that. They have to close the CC account.
Total 49 lakhs
ಏನ್
92,000
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? 1 ಕೋಟಿ 40 ಲಕ್ಷ.
for investment and machinery and all he has invested. All machinery is available in the commercial premises, my lord. And also they locked the residential house also. That is why there is also mortgage. That is why.
Your problems will not be the botheration of the bank nor the court.
Please.
You have to pay 21 lakhs ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಈಗ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರೈಸ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು ಮೇಡಮ್?
My lord, 48 lakhs, my lord. 48
Now
lakhs.
you
my lord-
pay that amount.
My lord,
If you
48
have misutilized the amount that was taken as a loan, we will not show any indulgence.
No, my lord, because already we have paid 49 lakhs 92,686, my lord.
ಈಗ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರೈಸ್
And-
ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ 48 lakhs ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಅವರು ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ 15 lakhs ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಇವರು 13 lakhs ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ
ಈಗ
5 lakhs ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. 5
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ
lakhs ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ.
ಆಗಿದೆ.
5 lakhs ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ 3 lakhs ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು
It's-
ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ. Please,
ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ನೀವು ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಕಡಿಮೆ
You
ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ.
know, my lord, it's completely false. We asked them to pay 71 lakhs to regularize, my lord. They paid only 21 lakhs.
Now it
And now
is,
48 lakhs is required for regularization.
sir.
They want
You
to
pay
start.
that.
It is, my lord, for OD account,
taken a loan nor started the business, utilized the entire amount, Now you are
No,
bound
he-
to
he
pay,
has-
I will not,
he has-
business losses I understand. But this is like
Yeah,
daylight
no,
robbery.
he has invested for the construction of the building and
Oh, no,
also
sir,
for
nothing
the
like-
machinery, my lord. For machinery also it is available. That is why they seized the machinery
you pay?
also. For the
So,
machine,
now you pay, sir. Yes.
my lord, machinery also they seized.
All
my
right,
lord.
now when do you pay?
There is-
Tell me.
One reasonable amount may be fixed, because so
Adhe.
far he is unable to pay the amount, my lord, but he will pay, when he will undertake to pay, my lord, 10 lakhs within 6
Sir,
weeks.
ನೀವು
my lord.
ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅವಾಗ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ
possession ಕೊಡಿ.
ಈಗ ಮನೆ ಒಂದು ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರ ಫಾದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಬೆಡ್ ರಿಡನ್, my lord. He is unable to take the medicine also, and also all medicines
You
in
take, you give access to all that medicine or whatever it is.
Yes, my lord.
You pay 25 lakhs now.
ಮೇಲೆ 25 lakhs ಬೇಡ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಒಂದು 10 lakhs ಗೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಫಾರ್ ನಾವು ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಟೇಕ್, my lord. That is why.
ಒಂದು ವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ 10 lakhs ಕಟ್ತೀರಾ?
ಒಂದು ವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು 4 weeks ಕೊಡಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. 4 weeks ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ he is unable, he is not having any money because he has paid,
Spent all this money.
my lord, he has spent 19 lakhs for his father's treatment, my lord.
Out of
That is
this
why.
money,
Not, he has spent, that is the
all
main
right,
problem.
we'll take it on.
My lord,
Yes.
By then you show your bona fides, deposit some amount.
uh,
And
right,
then file an affidavit also, my
my-
lord.
And you file an affidavit as to when you will clear the amount. When you will regularize the amount, I will permit them to open later.
because my lord, he is the
29
father, ಅಲ್ಲ,
29ಕ್ಕೆ
Father-
ಎರಡು ಕೆಲಸ.
father ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು,
Father ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೇನಿಲ್ಲ.
don't project
ಅಲ್ಲ.
all this, sir, please. The 29ಕ್ಕೆ ಎರಡು ಕೆಲಸ. ಒಂದು, you should pay substantial amount and show your bona fides. ಎರಡು, you should file an affidavit of timeline that when you will clear it, I will permit them to redeliver possession.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಫಾದರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನೋ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್. ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ದೇ ಲೆಟ್ ದೆಮ್ ಓಪನ್ ದಿ ರೆಸಿಡೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಹೌಸ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಹಿಸ್
Commercial
ಫಾದರ್
ಏನು?
ಇಸ್,
1 minute, sir. Commercial ಏನು?
No, my lord,
Adene
it's a
business
factory
ಇದೆ.
premises and there's a portion of it they are residing.
In the factory.
In the
premises.
factory premises, a portion of it they are residing.
Yes,
Let
list
them,
on- list.
yes, grateful.
Next.
In 6